Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. The junkyard with the real deal. Moving this controller for Phil. The car that he has, you can't read none of this stuff on there. Not sure how it works, but we got it out of the dash, unplugged this plug, and we're going to cut these vacuum tubes, because that's what these are, vacuum controllers, I believe, and transfer this onto his car that he's in, so he can have a nicer looking deal. So we didn't even need to take these two knobs off. Press those back on there so you don't lose those. This is what I'm talking about, people breaking stuff. I'm looking for a Camry mirror, and I've seen about 10 of them. Every one of them is broken. Why are they breaking the mirrors? Here's another one, broken. Just walking through here, breaking them all. Makes no sense. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.